John Patel, Superintendent of Corunna Public Schools. This is the Nick Anese Athletic Field in Corunna, Michigan. The spark in this project, we passed a bond project about 5 years ago or so, and we put LED lights in a lot of our different buildings. And this was an area that was not part of our bond, but we still had some capital project money available, and we felt that it was one of the few things that we could actually see a return on our investment, that we could start to get some of our money back within 5 years, that the lights would start paying for themselves. The lighting that we have here is a replacement. The old lights that we have, it used to take about 20 minutes for them to warm up before they could turn on. It was difficult at times to have a performance at halftime with the band if they wanted to have the lights off. It really was kind of out of the question, and these lights come on and off literally with a flick of the switch, like it's in your home.
The feedback from the community has been positive. One of the things we looked at is safety of our players, or the athletes that compete on the field. And then we also, we want an experience for our fans, a positive experience, and everything that we've gotten from the community has been just positive, and how much they enjoy the lights, how much brighter the field looks, and the effect that it has on the game. We installed 440 watt LED lights here at the stadium. In terms of execution of the project, my biggest piece of advice to anyone looking to take something like this on is to let the experts do it.
We were the installers of the LED lights. We removed 64 1500 watt lights, I believe, and installed 64 new 440 watt LED lights. The installation was very easy. It was pretty much a one-for-one swap out. The new LEDs mounted the same way the old lights that were 50 years old, mounted the same way those were installed. So basically took one light off, put one light on. I was very pleased with the install of the new lights. First time we saw them, it was pretty spectacular, a lot brighter and crisper than the old metal halide lights were.
Just imagining the cost savings for the school. The maintenance alone will save the school a lot of money in their budget.